Hi, I'm Taun with Utah State University Extension and the KSL Greenhouse show, and I'm going to demonstrate the importance of wrapping tree trunks to prevent southwest winter injury in the winter to keep your trees healthy. I've pre-wrapped some of this tree and I tied a knot at the bottom and just to hold it on, and I'm wrapping this like a candy cane all the way up. And the reason we do this is that during the winter the sun hits the trunk on the south and west sides, and it causes the bark on the trunk to heat up, and you get sap flow that then freezes, and at night the cells that have sap in them freeze and expand because water expands when it freezes, and it bursts the conductive tissue in the tree. And what will happen on the south and west side is the bark will slough off and you will eventually expose bare wood. And this reduces the health of the tree, makes it more susceptible to pests and diseases, slows the growth rate, and increases the chances that you will have to replace an expensive tree that you already paid for. So I'm getting toward the top of the tree, and you cut the tree wrap. I'll finish the last few wraps, leave enough there. I might have to back it off a little bit. Just loop it around, pull it through, and that tree is wrapped for the winter. An alternative to using tree wrap is painting your tree with water-based latex paint. The recommendation is to dilute the water-based latex paint 1:1 with water. This right here is ready to go, and I picked this up at a local hardware store, but if you wanted to go just get the least expensive water-based latex paint you can find, dilute it 1:1, that works great and you'll save quite a bit of money. This just says tree trunk paint, so I use it for demonstration. So you would just do that and paint your tree trunk. I don't have any on here, but you would paint your tree trunk. People don't like this as much sometimes because the paint stays on the tree for a couple of years, and so they don't do their ornamental trees with it too often, but it's really common in orchards where those trees are more for food production and there's an expectation that you might have something like that. You can do this to ornamental trees, you just have to get it past your significant other and make sure it's okay with them because they may not be okay with it.